Hello friends, I am Dev and welcome to Blogging Biters YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a menu at the top of your website. But before starting, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to turn on notification. Now let's start. As you can see, I have created this new website Fitgal Point, and here no menu is added here, only there is showing add a menu. So to add this menu, what I need to do is access the WordPress dashboard. So first go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to the appearance tab, and from there you can see lots of options are there like themes, customize, widgets, menus, header. So choose the menus option. And here you can see edit menus, and there is no menu created before, so they are showing create your first menu below. So for that you have to give a name to the menu like main, and then create menu. Click on the create menu button and your menu is created. You just have to select what will be the content of the menu. So only one page is in my website, the sample page, so I can add only this page. So select that, and then this add to menu option, you have to click on that. If you have more pages, you can see all of the pages here and then select them and then add to menu. And as you can see, the menu is created and the sample page is added to the menu. Now you can hit the save menu. Before that you can check there are some menu settings like auto add pages, automatically add new top level pages to this menu. So if you select this option, when you create a new page, that page will be automatically added to the menu. Also the display location is here. You can select any of them like social menu, primary. I am selecting the primary option and then click on the save menu. And so the menu is created and configured. Now let's check how it looks in my website. And as you can see, there is this menu and the sample page is showing here, the page I have added to the menu. If you click on that, you can visit the sample page. This is a default page. You can add more things to your menu like posts. Here you can see, if you have created any post and you want to list that in your menu, you can do that. Like here is only the hello world post is there, so I am selecting that and adding to the menu. And here you can see it is added to the menu, and there and then the custom links, you can also add some links to your menu and give it some link test, like suppose for test I am giving the link test as test, and then let's put the bloggingbiters.com as the URL and add to menu. And then there is this option to add categories. I haven't created any category yet, so the only option is showing is uncategorized. You can create any category from this categories option under the posts. So let's create a category. Before that, let's save the changes. Click on the save menu, and then let's create a category under posts. Go to category and then add a new category. Like let's add food. Don't need to bother about slug for now. And then there is this parent category, and then this description. Let's give some description, have some food, and then add new category. As you can see, the food category is created. Now let's jump to the menus under appearance tab and go to the category option. As you can see, under categories, if you click on the view all, you can see the food category here. So let's select it and add to menu. So I have added 4 types of elements in my menu. One is page, one is post, one is a custom link, and one is a category. So let's save the menu. Click on save menu. So now the menu is saved. Let's check how it looks in my website. Let's reload the website, and you can see here is this menu with sample page, hello world, taste, and food. If you click on hello world, this post will open, and if you click on food, this empty category will be opened, and if you click on taste, bloggingvitals.com will open. So that's it, friend. That's how to create a menu and add it to your website. So friends, if you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends, and visit my blog Blogging Vitals for complete WordPress tutorial series. Thank you for watching.